morning and welcome to the City Showdown here live from het Grafisch Lyceum in Rotterdam. Today we'll be looking at the best student teams competing against each other into a variety of games. We're looking at Rotterdam, Breda, Eindhoven, Den Bosch, Hilversum, Enschede, Arnhem. It's a joy.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are gonna get ready for the finals.
See how much there's going to be happening more. Opportunity to go for it. Oh, it's free. It's a shot. It's not a goal. There could be an interception now. There might still be a chance.
It is over. A great show by Arnhem.
Come on!
It is go time and the kickoff is going.
Oh, Ozan can follow.
Daniel
now.
In the middle. It's Ozan in the air.
Double tap. Can he make it? Triple tap. Ozan!
Oh my
the
God!
man, the beast. Ozan does it.
We will watch a beautiful game. 10 players here fighting for what they are worth.
What are you doing with this final?
There's no way he can do this.
He's focusing the next one more hit. Would be enough. Flash forward.
No way.
It's not his world. And